Company E is a provider of fixed and mobile services. The company maintains their operation as two separate businesses, Company E Wireline and Company E Wireless. Their fixed and mobile networks are loosely coupled through TDM peering. Each network views the other as a foreign network. Company E wants to consolidate the networks and create a single operating company to reduce their operating costs. They would also like to offer integrated mobile and wireline services, mobility solutions to fixed-line enterprise customers, and multimedia services in the future. Since Company E already has SIP deployments in their wireline network, they've decided to take this opportunity to upgrade their underlying wireless network technology to SIP as well. By doing so, their company can lower the cost of their network integration and create a future path for multimedia services. Company E plans to cap investment in their existing TDM-based mobile switching centers and start deploying SIP-capable mobile soft switches. Their strategy is to interconnect the mobile soft switches with their existing wireline SIP soft switches. Unfortunately, the vendor who supplied the mobile soft switch is not the same vendor who provided the wireline soft switch. The two vendors use different SIP implementations, so the soft switches are unable to establish sessions. The two vendors refuse to recognize the interoperability issue as a problem. However, they will gladly provide a customized solution to Company E if the company is willing to pay for it. Company E is caught in a situation called vendor lock-in. As long as Company E uses equipment from a single vendor, there's no problem. But when they try to bring in equipment from another vendor, problems arise. How can they solve the current interoperability issue without spending an excessive amount of money for a customized solution, or being forced to buy all of their equipment from one vendor? How can they avoid the same problem in the future as they bring new elements from other vendors into the network? The solution is to deploy Tecolec's SIP signaling router as a protocol mediation point between the different vendor products. This approach creates an architectural solution that is independent of the endpoints and eliminates interoperability problems. The SSR solution, which is deployed in the signaling layer, can be implemented in one of two ways: directly on the SSR, or by having the SSR proxy to an external application which provides the protocol mediation. By choosing the SSR solution, Company E can create a SIP-based next-generation network reference architecture over their existing network. In this role, the SSR acts as a proxy server to route SIP traffic between the mobile and the landline soft switches. In addition, the SSR forms a mediation point that fixes protocol variations between the soft switches on the fly. Company E now has the SIP signaling and session control framework that solves their immediate interoperability needs. The SSR also creates the foundation for a multi-vendor environment and future multimedia services, enables the company to choose best-of-breed products avoiding vendor lock-in, and provides a centralized SIP monitoring point.